In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with www.capcut.com. If you're new to CapCut's web editor or you just want a quick way to spin up a clean, polished video, templates are the fastest path. I'll walk you through how to get to the right place, how to pick a template that fits your project, and how to launch it so you're ready to customize. First, open a modern browser and go to capcut.com. Give the page a moment to load, and if you're prompted, sign into your CapCut account so your work saves to the cloud. A stable connection helps here, especially if you plan to preview several designs. Once you're on the site, look toward the top navigation and click Templates. This opens CapCut's template library, which is organized by styles and use cases like intros, slideshows, and social posts. Think of this library as a starting point. Each template includes pre-built timing, transitions, and sometimes music, so you can focus on your content rather than building everything from scratch. Now browse and select your preferred template. You can hover over a card to preview the motion and pacing, then click to open the full details. Pay attention to the aspect ratio, vertical, square, or horizontal, so it matches where you plan to publish. Check the duration and the number of media slots to be sure it aligns with how many clips or photos you intend to include. The tags and descriptions are helpful for spotting the overall vibe, whether it's energetic, minimal, or cinematic. If audio is bundled, listen for style and tempo. It sets the mood of the edit. Take your time here and favor a design that complements your footage rather than working against it. When you've found the one, click Use this template. CapCut will load the template in the web editor with all the scenes arranged on the timeline. If the browser asks for permission to open the editor, confirm and wait for the assets to initialize. You'll see placeholders where your media will go, along with pre-configured animations, text layers, and effects. From here, you're ready to start personalizing. Keep an eye on autosave indicators and use undo if you experiment and want to roll something back. That's it. You've navigated to the site, explored the template library, chosen a design that fits your goal, and opened it in the editor, ready for your creative touch.